Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Park the vehicle, set the shift to park, turn the engine off, and open the hatch fully so the rear wiper arm is accessible. Gather a new 12-inch rear wiper blade, a small flat screwdriver, and gloves before starting the replacement to avoid hand injuries and ensure proper fit. Work on a dry, flat surface and protect the glass with a towel to avoid scratches if the arm springs down. Keep both hands free and clear of the hinge while manipulating the wiper arm. Lift the wiper arm gently away from the glass until it locks or is held up by hand, supporting it at the pivot so it does not snap back. If your Rogue has a small plastic cap covering the wiper nut, use a flat screwdriver to pry it open carefully and set the cap aside. Locate the release tab on the blade connection, depress the tab, slide the old blade toward the arm pivot, and remove the blade assembly from the hook or pin. Place the old blade aside for disposal. Align the new 12-inch blade with the hook or pin on the wiper arm, then slide it until the release tab clicks into place, confirming a secure mechanical lock. Lower the wiper arm slowly onto the glass while ensuring the blade is centered and seated on the heated rear window defroster lines if your model has them. Avoid slamming the arm down. Start the vehicle, operate the rear wiper through several cycles, and spray washer fluid to confirm full contact and streak-free wiping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.